And hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to improve USB capacity. So you bought 32 gigabyte stick and you get 28 and you're like, did they scam you or something? But the difference is due to way that most storage manufacturers and PC manufacturers define a scale. There are two systems, decimal and binary. Storage devices use a decimal system and PCs use binary system. This leads to some disparity between actual capacity and reported capacity by a PC. So what you're gonna do now is check. So it's 14, but it says 16 million bytes, 16 billion bytes, yeah. So what we are going to do now is type disk part and allow this app to make changes and list disk. So you see here size, this is your two disks, this and this one. This is for SSD and hard drive, and this is your USB stick. So what we are going to do now is select disk 2, and now it's selected. Now type clean, and when you cleaned it, create partition primary, and yeah, now close this and right click and format, and now you can start formatting it. So actually my drive was 16 and it says 14.8, but for more capacity it's gonna say from 58 to 60 to 63, not exactly 64, but yeah. So let's say 5% is gonna be less always. So yeah, that is how you improve your capacity to your USB disk, and yeah, that's it. Bye.